Well, hello, and welcome back to my channel. So, this is a hard video for me to film. I know I just posted yesterday, one of my usual what I eat in a day, but yesterday I was basically attacked by Eli Lilly. I started receiving notifications from YouTube for 7 different videos of mine, and the notifications stated that Eli Lilly and Company had filed a complaint against me for trademark infringement, and they were pulling my videos off of YouTube. And this went on all day, and they ultimately pulled 7 of my videos. So they didn't give me any indication as to what I did that infringed their trademark. I thought perhaps it was using the name Zepbound Manjaro in the title when I'm not taking Zepbound or Manjaro, but some of the videos they pulled just said compounded tirzepatide. It did seem that they were targeting the videos where I talked about my compounded tirzepatide, that the unboxings that I've done and that sort of thing. So I don't know, but it was extremely upsetting to me and a little scary. You guys know I'm a lawyer, so I'm sort of afraid I might get sued. So long story short, I have decided to take a break from YouTube. And I'm not sure if I'm going to come back. I might, but I'm going to take an extended break. And I've thought about it long and hard. Now, I just had my 2-year anniversary, and I have consistently published videos for the last 2 years. And I want to take this video as a way to thank all of you, especially the ones who have been with me for a long time. Over these last 2 years, I've gotten to know several of you. I have gotten to become friends with you. You've cried with me. You've laughed with me. When I thought my breast cancer was back, you prayed for me. And, you commiserate with me when my cat is sick and all this stuff. And it has meant the world to me. And it's the reason why I have continued to publish videos. Because, I still have less than 2,000 subscribers. And I was really hoping that my channel would take off. And it actually has started to take off in the last few months, probably primarily because of my documenting my journey on compounded tirzepatide, because a lot of people are on it and a lot of people are looking for inspiration. And I have had a lot of comments where, you've said, hey, you're a slow responder, but, you look great and you've given me hope. I'm a slow responder too, that sort of thing. And if I've helped anybody, I hope I have, and I'm thankful for it. And it's been for you that I've kept up the videos. Now, I thought long and hard about what I was going to do last night. I'm afraid to publish anything really anymore about my journey on compounded tirzepatide, because who knows what's going to happen. And my other videos, the what I eat in a days and that sort of thing, they've never done as well as when I've been talking about compounded tirzepatide, what's going to happen with compound, the FDA lawsuit, that sort of thing. And I hope I was helpful, to explain a lot of things this past fall when everything got so confusing. I'm not sure why I was targeted. Now, I did reach out to Allie from Fit Flavor Fun, and I also reached out to Lorraine from The Downsized. And if you never caught my interview on The Downsized, I still recommend watching that. It was a good time. But anyway, I digress. Neither one of them had any videos pulled. And I haven't reached out to anyone else, but Allie, actually, she's so awesome. She really, had me private message her. I told her what was going on. She wanted to see some of the videos that got pulled. I sent them to her, and she was super helpful. And she actually just published a video today talking about Eli Lilly going after small-time YouTubers. And, low-hanging fruit, I guess. But, it's not worth it. It's not worth it for me to keep going on. And I'm having anxiety, and I'm so sorry. I know many of you are kind of invested in my life. I'm getting married in October. You've helped me pick out a wedding dress. And to all of you, especially the ones who I have, talked to over the past 2 years, please email me. My email is listed in the description box below. It's michellenedwick@gmail.com, and I'll email you back. There's no reason why we can't still stay connected if you'd like, and if you want to know what's going on in my life or my progress. And maybe as I get closer to the wedding date and that sort of thing, maybe I will do, a video of the wedding, just because so many of you guys have said that you really want to see it. So I'm sorry for this kind of abrupt ending to our story, but I just can't believe that it's happened. I can't believe that freaking Eli Lilly went after me. And I was so nice to them in my last video, saying how I was going to buy their single dose vials. Anyway, I wish you guys the best of luck on your health journey. Please feel free to email me. I'd be happy to hear from you guys. And I will miss you. I always end the video with, I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I will see you next time. And I am going to say goodbye for now, and maybe I will see you next time. I have a feeling I may still do something just to tie everything up, in a few months. Let you know how Kylie's doing, how the wedding plan is going, what wedding dress I picked, how much weight I lost. Maybe I'll do one of those. But in the meantime, if you're at all curious or you just want to reach out and express your support, please give me an email. All right, guys, I will miss you, and hopefully I will see you again sometime.